Following portion of Daytime Tri-Cities is sponsored by Changes Medical Spa and Laser Center.
We are back here at Changes Medical Spa and Laser Center talking about a very important product, and that's all-natural hormone replacement. It can affect so many different things in your life. And here to share some important information, we have Dr. Richard Jackson here with us and Dr. Angela Shelton. And thank you guys so much for joining us.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Well, I know this is one of those things that you really specialize in. That's helping your clients really find that balance in hormones. It can affect so many different aspects of their life.
Yes, everything from brain function to weight management to mood. And people don't realize the amount of impact that your hormone levels have on every bodily function.
And this can be really men, women, all ages, pre-menopause, post-menopause, so it really runs the gamut.
Well, more than anything, we're treating women after menopause. And they're having a lot of signs and symptoms that they're feeling very acutely after they've gone through menopause. And sometimes that lasts for a couple of years. Sometimes it lasts for many years. And they can have hot flashes, they can have unstable temperature sensation, and sex becomes painful. They have loss of energy, their muscles aren't working as well. They gain weight, the risk of heart attacks goes up after menopause. It's a whole variety of things, and it's not just sexual hormones. It's estrogen and testosterone's effects on the whole body.
The system of hormone balancing that we use is the Biot System. It uses tiny little pellets that are implanted in the upper hip. You don't feel that they're there. We numb you up for the procedure. And typically within a few weeks, you are starting to have a reduction in those symptoms. And that makes a big difference in people. We've had several patients that have been able to come off of anti-anxiety medications. We've had people who have energy again. We've had several that have said we've saved their relationship through getting rid of those symptoms.
And I know you guys have been doing this for several years now, and Dr. Jackson, you were telling me that at first you were even a little skeptical until you really got into knowing and seeing that firsthand result.
For most doctors, if we don't understand something very well, we recommend against it. And it's also hard for a large group of physicians to agree that everybody's going to be doing some kind of a procedure when they're not all familiar with it. And the training is very helpful. And the reason why we use the Biot method is because they had really excellent training. It was all set up by a gynecologist that started the company. And it was really valuable in learning how to do it safely and effectively. And we like treatments that work.
And you're seeing the results. You're hearing that from your patients. Oh my goodness, my life is totally different now. It's changed me.
We've had some patients that have been doing the Biot pellets through us for 6 years now. And they say they will not do without them. It makes such a difference in the way that they function day to day. One of the things that women are never told is when you hit menopause, your risk of heart disease and heart attack goes up 600%. And that's information that even the American Heart Association puts out. If you get on some types, like the oral hormone replacements, your risk of heart disease and heart attack goes up even higher. So it may take away a few symptoms, but you're increasing your health risk. If we can get hormone levels up to where they were in our 20s, both testosterone and estrogen, then you're going to have a healthier life. And that's very important. No one notices the difference in the testosterone level coming down. Everybody talks about, oh, when you're 18, your collagen production starts to decrease. What they should be telling women is your testosterone production starts to decrease. When that happens, the lower that level gets, the higher your risk of everything from all forms of cancer, all forms of dementia, weight gain, mood disorder, brain dysfunction.
For women, the treatment lasts for 3 to 4 months, and for men, the treatment lasts for 5 to 6 months.
Well, certainly a lot of information, very important topic. In fact, you guys are going to be focusing on this coming up during an event next week.
Right. We are reinstituting our monthly health symposia, and we hold it right here at Changes. and we bring up different health topics. This one is going to be one of our woman-to-woman discussions. I'm going to be leading the discussion about the effects of hormones on a woman during her entire lifespan, and I think it's an important thing to go over. We have a couple of books about hormones, and everyone who comes to the presentations will get a free book. And I give these things out like candy because it's so important for us to understand the impact that this has on our life.
Yeah, knowledge is certainly power. We'll give everybody the information. Again, an important topic happening on Tuesday night. It's going to begin about 6:30 right here at Changes Medical Spa and Laser Center, and that is in Boones Creek. For more information too, you can always check out the website, changesmedical.com.
The preceding portion of Daytime Tri-Cities was sponsored by Changes Medical Spa and Laser Center.